back on the edge of the block. I noticed yesterday or the day before chainsaws. I immediately thought a tree is now going to die a pain of 1,000 deaths, but luckily when I walked past they were taking a stump grinder out of a van, so it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. There is a cherry tree here that has got some rotten limbs on it, and it was marked for cutting down, and I'm hoping they don't cut it down because there's nothing wrong with the tree. This cherry tree just needs a bit of pruning, that's all. There's a few dead branches on it. Anyway, like I said, there was a stump grinder here yesterday, which means basically sawdust. And you know what I'm like, I like to grab things while they're hot. So I've got the buggy and a small shovel here, and I'm gonna grab some. For what, I don't know, I don't care, but it's there and I'm gonna grab it. Whether it end up more path mulch or something else. Actually, I've just seen something that's been planted and I don't know why, because they've been desperate to get rid of the fucking things. There's a bloody tree here. And it's a sycamore. Oh, that just doesn't make any sense. Why plant a new sycamore when, you know what, I think that the one that was here was protected and it was illegally felled, and they've been made to replace it basically. Ace of pseudoplatanus, it's basically a sycamore. Nothing special, but I think they may have been ordered to replace it, because these were standard trees and they've literally cut them back, and one got totally removed. That stump's been grinded and this one's been replanted. Weird, very weird. Look, the 3 pair of wire cutter type pliers, lovely. I'll have that. So yeah, basically I'm gonna get a load of this and shove it in the recycle bin. Free wood chip. It's a shame that Esma Florine wouldn't use it for litter. She seems to be a bit lacking in the toilet department now with age. I changed the litter and she's not using it for so long. And there's more here than I thought. Crap. What I'll use it for, I don't know. I don't care. I mean, it would have been ideal for something like growing mushrooms. Shit ache. Something like that. Look at that, there's actually a lot more here than I thought. You can see the man behind me that cut his conifers back. He didn't dispose of his conifer properly. He just illegally dumped it here, like everyone else that dumps their stuff illegally. Not only that, he left some at the back of the wall of the block and to the side near the ash tree. Oh. And there's never anyone to clear it up. You have to do it yourself. I ain't doing all this. But at least it protects the cherry tree, it stops people from getting near it and cutting it down. That's all I can say. So I'm basically gathering a load of this stump grinded shreddings. It may have made a good kitty little alternative for esmaflorine, but it would need drying out, and maybe if it's too fine a grade, it will get too soppy too quick. Don't know, and I think that's about it. Look at this thin log. I'm not sure if stake beetles will make a home under that. Maybe not, but what's going on here? Tower cranal fucking breaker bar. Oh, I don't know. Either a prize bar or breaker bar. Oh well, I'll leave it here. I don't know why people leave their shit behind. Tell you what, I'll put this in the tree. Hopefully whoever planted it will fucking remember it. People are so careless. Yeah, how do I feel today? Internally sore. I woke up this morning the usual. I don't know what it is. I don't feel too bad at the moment. As you can tell by my talking, I'm not too bad. The buggy is standing up well, but then again, this stuff isn't particularly heavy. And back onto the block. So many jobs, so little time and health to do it, and also not know what the hell's happening with the future, whether I'm moving or staying here, or because there's a load of plants here that are mine that I'm gonna want to move, but I don't know what's happening. Anyway, one random recycle bin of stump grinder wood, and there's another lot there. Oh, I think Linda's trying to call me.